Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 9 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 3 to the power of x plus 3. Now, whenever we're solving exponential equations such as these ones, we always want to make the bases of the two terms the same. And right now, the bases are 9 and 1/3, which are nowhere near similar. So I'm going to change both of these bases to a common base, which is 3. So 9, this is equal to 3 squared. And 1 over 3, this is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1. Because remember, anything to the power of negative 1, a to the power of negative 1, this is going to be 1 over a. So now we simply just replace these two terms with their values. So 9 is 3 squared, so now we have 3 squared to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1 to the power of x plus 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is going to be equal to 3 to the power of 2 times x, which is simply just 2x. And now this is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1 times x plus 3. So now we have to distribute the negative 1. Negative 1 times x is negative x, and negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So we have 3 to the power of negative x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. And if we have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, this means that m is equal to n. Because both the bases are the same, that means both the exponents have to be the same as well. So this means 2x is equal to negative x minus 3. So now if I add x on both sides, these two cancel out, and I get 3x is equal to negative 3. And now if I divide both sides by 3, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. So this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 5 to the power of 101 minus 5 to the power of 100. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n, right? And the same thing can be written vice versa. If we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this can be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So let's say we have 4 to the power of 3, right? And this means this can be written as 4 squared times 4 to the power of 1. Because when you multiply these two, the exponents add up, and 2 plus 1 adds up to 3. So now what I'm going to do to 5 to the power of 101 is I'm going to rewrite it as 5 to the power of 100 times 5. And 5 is the same thing as 5 to the power of 1. And 100 plus 1 is 101. So now we are going to subtract this with 5 to the power of 100. And now that both of these terms have 5 to the power of 100 in them, I'm going to factor out 5 to the power of 100. So now we have 5 to the power of 100 times, now 5 to the power of 100 times 5 divided by 5 to the power of 100 is simply just 5, minus 5 to the power of 100 divided by 5 to the power of 100 is 1. So we have 5 to the power of 100 times 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is simply 4. So now we have 4 times 5 to the power of 100. And this is going to be our answer.